In today's video, I'll teach you how to redeem gift code on DAZN. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in dazn.com/redeem. Press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of DAZN. Simply wait for the interface to load. Now you can see over here from this interface you'll be able to redeem the gift code. All you have to do is click on the field of gift code. Now enter your gift code over here. Be sure to use the letters and numbers only. You cannot use the special characters in the code. If the code you were given includes the punctuation, you can just leave it out. Note that codes are case sensitive, so simply enter your code over here. Now once you do that, click on this option redeem gift code that you can see on the screen. Now if your gift code was correct, it will be redeemed. So like this, you'll be able to redeem the gift code. So that is how you redeem gift code on DAZN. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.